welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a distance to road map using ArcGIS. This kind of map is really useful for urban planning, environmental studies, flood susceptibility modeling, and so much more. So let's dive straight into the process. First, open your ArcGIS map software. Here you add your road shapefile. I am already added it, and add your study area shapefile. Make sure that data is properly projected. It is best to use a projected coordinate system like UTM for distance calculation. Now go to Arc Toolbox. Go to Arc Toolbox. Under the Special Analyze tool, click on Distance and then open the Equidistance tool. In the Equidistance tool, for input raster, select your road layer. For output distance raster, set a location and name for your output. Click on Save. Leave the other optional like maximum distance and output cell size. Go to Environment. Click on Raster Analysis. In raster analysis, I want to marks according to my study area. Select your study area. Click on OK. Then click on OK. It is process. Here you make your distance to road map of it. You see your distance to road map. You can easily change your symbol or color. Go to properties. In color RAM, you put any of the color, apply. You see the change the color. The green zone is max shows the maximum value and the red zone is show the minimum value. So thank you guys. Keep watching. Please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.